Hello and welcome to this Indesmatech webinar. Today we are joined by one of our valued suppliers, Nuvoton, who will be giving a presentation about the company and the products they sell. So first, a short introduction to Indesmatech as a company. Indesmatech is the name, and it's actually an anagram of the words innovative design and support and marketing of advanced technology. And that's what we do here in Indesmatech. So this slide contains our semiconductor partners, and it's divided into the three categories from the slide before. First of all, we have wireless and IoT comms, which is Centec and Ignite. We have embedded computing, memory, and ASIC, where all of these companies are listed here. And on the audio and sensing part, we have partnership with all of these companies right here. So as you can see, we have a partnership with a lot of different companies representing different technologies. On this slide, we have presented the Indesmatech business model. We have three business areas that we focus on. First one is agent for semiconductor suppliers. The second one is consulting services for research and development, system solutions, and business development. We also have an IoT webshop, and we do VAR for device manufacturers. On top of these business areas, we have three technology focus areas. The first one is wireless IoT and comms. The second one is embedded computing, memory, and ASICs. And the last focus area is audio and sensing. Indesmatech is located in Denmark. However, it is a European company that covers a large part of the Northern European area. Our main office is in Herlev, Denmark, but we have offices around different areas of Europe, and we have a total of 27 people, where we speak 7 languages in total. So that was a short presentation on Indesmatech as a company, but without further ado, I would now like to introduce Jeffrey and David from Nuvoton, who will do a presentation on their company and the products they have.
Hi everyone, welcome to the webinar. So my name is Jeffrey Ling. I come from Nuvoton, and my position is sales rep, who undersee and take over all the sales activity and business activity in Europe, including North Europe, East Europe, and Middle East. So this is the area that I cover. And Nuvoton and Indesmatech, we have been working with each other for more than 2 years. So this is why we are here also. We consider our valuable customer in Nordic country and Baltic countries. And we would like to offer the full range support from either sales perspective and the technical perspective. So today I'm here to present Nuvoton technology, including our strategy, what we are doing, who we are, and what solution we have. So this is our vision statement: to be a hidden champion in providing sustainable semiconductors to enrich human life. So basically, Nuvoton, we are not only a semiconductor supplier, we are not only a design house in Taiwan, but we also consider about the ESG and the carbon neutral issues. So our target is to achieve net zero at 2050. This is our goal. So as you know, Nuvoton, we are a design house in Taiwan, but we are not the only one company. We are under Watson Group, and in this group, there are 5 different companies. So as you know, Nuvoton, we specialize on microcontroller, microprocessor, on 8-bit and 32-bit, and we also have the other solutions like audio IC, MOSFET, BMIC, HDMI, etc. And Winbound, our sister company, they are doing memory business. They are also the well-known worldwide. And PSA for the passive component application. And Watson is the mother company of the Watson Group. Back to the 60 and 70, they are doing the electric wire and cable since that time period, and they established the Watson Group as well. And the last one is Handstart. They are focusing on the TFT module and touchscreen modules. In Watson Group, the assets is around $17 billion. So at a glance about Nuvoton, that currently we have 3,700 employees worldwide, and our capital is around $140 million. And we established at 2008. And Nuvoton, before that, we were an IC department in Winbound, and we spun off from Winbound and established Nuvoton. And also, we are a public company, so everything goes to public. And we went IPO in 2010. Our chairman is Mr. Su, and president is Mr. Yang. And our headquarters is at Hsinchu Science Park. This is our headquarters. And we have one foundry in the headquarters. It's a 6-inch foundry and with 350 nanometers. One thing I would like to make more comments is Hsinchu Science Park is one of the most important cities in Taiwan, because most of the advanced technology company like design house or foundry like TSMC, UMC, Realtek, MediaTek, something, they're all located at this county, including Nuvoton and Winbound as well. As I mentioned that Winbound is our sister company, so they hold around 51% of share from Nuvoton. And the biggest milestone for Nuvoton is 2020, we merged Panasonic Semiconductors. So now it's called Nuvoton Japan at Kyoto. So this is the worldwide location about Nuvoton, that we are a Taiwanese company. So our headquarters located in Taiwan, of course. And as I just mentioned that we merged Panasonic Semiconductors, so we have another headquarters in Kyoto, Japan. So in Taiwan, we have one foundry, and Japan, we have 3 foundries. As you can see the map, that basically we cover all around the Asian countries like Korea, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, and India. One of the biggest milestones for this year, 2024, is we established a new sales office in Germany. It's located in Munich. We just started up the organization. And the reason that Nuvoton established this new office, because we would like to have the close relationship with local customers to provide the instant and immediate support for either technical or sales or commercial. So that's why we start up our office in Munich. And of course, in US, we have one at San Jose and the other one at Michigan. Going to the business groups, that Nuvoton is a big enterprise, and our main business, core business is microcontroller and audio. But besides that, we also have different business group, 8 in total. And the second business group is cloud and security. So we cooperate with those tier 1 PC vendor around the world, offer some component for the PC. As I mentioned, that we have our own foundry, so we also offer a foundry service, and we are in this field for more than 30 years already. And we have the component business group as well to satisfy the consumer electronics application like tablets, smartphone, something like that, for the chipsets package MOSFET. And visual sensing business group, that we have the 3D touch sensor for specific application like automotive or industrial, for human recognition and obstacle recognition, how we focus on for the touch sensor. And the next one is battery and analog solutions business group, that we provide the BMIC and motor driver IC as well, targeting on automotive industry. And IoT with security business group, that we offer the higher grade of the microcontrollers, targeting on the motor and power control and high-speed interface like USB-C retimer and HDMI IC as well. And the last one is laser and GaN business group, that we provide the high-power laser diode solutions. Talking about the revenue, that this is our constant growth about Nuvoton. Nuvoton is a fast-growing company. The financial status is very healthy as well. So you can see at 2019 to 2020, we have a huge revenue gap, because 2020 we merged Panasonic, so which increased our revenue a lot this year. And 2021 and 2022, because of the pandemic, so the revenue increased twice, because some customer, they over expected the demand and also keep the inventory. So that's why we have a huge revenue gap between these years. But now back to normal, we still have around $1,100 million for the revenue last year. And you can see the curve is still looking at the stable trend. You can trust Nuvoton that our financial status is without any issue. This is to show you that Nuvoton company performance, that we are currently at top 7 for general purpose MCU, and top 1 supplier for the commercial PC, and top 1 supplier for MOSFET for smartphone. Besides the brief introduction about our companies, I'm going to dive in the microcontroller platform, which is our core business. This is all MCU cores in our portfolio. We start from 8051. 8051 is easy developed and stable product, so we keep launching new product year by year for this core. We separate in two segments. The first one is low power, and the other one is industrial control for 8051. And then is M0 for the industrial control and automotive. Some part number are certified by the AEC-Q100, the certification for the M0 core. And when you look at the M4 core, we target on higher performance for the security and the IoT application. We have M23 core for the IoT security, like we integrate and we design the trust zone feature as well. And some crypto engine is also integrated in our portfolio. And also low power for the M23 core as well. And when you look at the M7 core, we target on the motor and power control. And the last one is a A35. At 2022, we launched this. We are the first supplier around the world who launched A35. For the A35 core, that we target on the machine learning, industrial control, human machine interface, something like that. So this is all MCU cores that we have in our portfolio. Talking about the entire microcontroller platform, we have around 1,200 part numbers in our ecosystem already. You can see from this selection table, we put the features at the right corner side. So basically, our customer, they can select the suitable part number for their application based on these key features for each series, microcontroller series. For example, like this one, L means LCD, which support the LCD driver, and T means touch key, and U means USB. User-friendly selection guide when choosing the suitable part number. Besides the microcontroller, we also have the audio solutions from audio codec, audio MCU, audio DSP to audio amplifier. So for the audio component, that we provide the converter solutions, for example, like audio codec, separate to mono and stereo, and ultra low power. And we also have the precision ADC, DAC as well. And for the audio amplifier, we have Class A and Class B amp and Class D amp also. And worth to mention that in our amplifier portfolio, we also have the smart amp as well. We cooperate with a third party. So the strength for the smart amp is we can maximize the sound quality with the physical limit. That's how we do for the smart amplifier. And also the chip coder as well. We also have this solution for playback and record purpose. Move from the component to audio SoC, that we have M0 core for the audio SoC and M4 core. So M0 is more related to the lighting control and the voice control. And M4 core, M4 audio SoC is more related to the voice activation detection, noise reduction, acoustic echo cancellation, something like that. Also the voice recognition. So if you are going to choose the higher performance, higher level, you can either focusing on the audio SoC for M0 or M4. We also have the audio DSP for the input and output processing. Besides the ecosystem from product perspective, that we also provide a solution for the ecosystem for the development. For the development platform, that we have multiple IDEs to choose Arm-Kyo, IAR, or New Eclipse. And one thing worth to mention is that we have a special agreement with Arm-Kyo and from this year, and we launched a Nuvoton edition of Arm-Kyo. So now for all Arm Cortex-M is license free, which is a value added for our customers. Is all free for the license. And of course, the debugger programmer and the EVB as well, that we provide these samples, boards for the verification and evaluation process, and board supporting package and example code could be downloaded on our website, and different kind of software tool, for example, like clock config, LCD view, pin config, which can help the engineers during the development stage. Moving from the development platform to the other one, that we cooperate with different third-party graphic library for the HMI platform, for example, like Sager, LVGL, and Qt. And also for the IoT device and gateway, that we support different protocols, operating system as well. And in Nuvoton, we have the lighting control platform as well. It's called DALI 2 Solutions. Besides that, we in our resource, that we have the reference design platform already. So to help our customer to have an easily and fast development during the initial project. Besides different ID for customer selection, that we also provide debugger and programmer and also the evaluation board as well for different MCU family series from 8051 to 835 as well. Last but not least, why choosing Nuvoton as your supplier? Because we are a leading microcontroller provider in this industry, among others, and for the scalability that we provide wide range selection for from MCU to NPU, 8051 to 835 as well. And for the longevity, that we have a product longevity program that Nuvoton committed to supply the goods for at least 10 years. So this is our strength. And as I mentioned, that we spun off from Winbound and create Nuvoton. So we are in this field for more than 30 years already. For the availability, that Watson Group, we have close relationship with those foundries in Taiwan, so we can control the lead time as well. Standard lead time from 16 to 20 weeks. Rolling demands, we can shorten to 8 to 12 weeks. That's our strength. And of course, the most important one is technical support, either from our local branch or you can contact to our headquarters in Taiwan as well. Multiple ID and rich development platform is also our advantage during the development process. Last one is we integrate the security features in some MCU series, and high immunity of the product is also our strength. So this is why you can consider Nuvoton as your supplier.
Hi everybody, I'm David and in charge of the microcontroller FAE. Today, I want to introduce our ecosystem. For example, this is our evaluation board. And because we want to make every engineer work easy, so we introduce this evaluation board and let you know how to use our ecosystem. This is our evaluation board. As you can see, we provide the IC inside. You can quickly connect the USB and then debug our touch chip. It's very easy. And then another more important, our software is free, include the IDE. So you didn't need extra charge. So you can quickly use our evaluation board. And then for our evaluation board, we also provide a different kind of solution. This is for the MCU. This is for the audio. You can quickly, based on your demand, to choose the MCU and the audio function. For this one is for the controller, and this is for the audio sound processor. As you can see, I want to demo this one. Let's use. As you can see, for this one, control is very easy, and we call this is the Nuvoton sound processor, and then you don't need the extra control interface. Just use like you can use the UR. SQC or G.
And welcome to Indesmatech stand here at Electronic. Here we are showcasing Nuvoton's advanced voice IC. Indesmatech will promote and support Nuvoton's speech processing solutions in Northern Europe. We look forward to supporting you on upcoming applications.
The sound quality is very good and very clear. And then for this solution, you can quickly or easily to add into your system. For this one, we list for our demo. This demo include all the sound processor chip inside and with all the microcontroller inside. So you can quickly to choose different sound information. Like this one, we can choose this.
The keep warm function.
So you can quickly add the sound information or sound message into your product line. And then this is another demo for the cooker, rice cooker. And as you can see, our MCU is not for the controller. We also can be like the count segment display or support the touch function inside. As you can see, the panel include the touch layer. We call the ITO layer. So you can quickly implement the touch function on the panel. So the panel is very small, but he can display the message. Also can be the input for the touch key function input. So you can quickly to make the your product more the interaction. And then this is our average ball. Just want to show for you. If you want to test, you can look for our average ball. It's very easy. Okay, you show the concept result, and we also use the touch key. You can show the touch information like this one. And then Nuvoton also provide many kind of the solution. Today, we also want to introduce our new solution we call the LED lighting control solution. We use the ARGB LED. ARGB means the addressable RGB LED. As you can see, to control the effect. For this demo, we provide the total solution. As you can see, we include the firmware source code and the PC source code. You can quickly to implement different lighting effect. For this demo, we just want to show that we have the different effect like this one. As you can see, these are the lighting effect. For this demo, we support different kind of effect. The first one is the rainbow. We can check the effect result. For this demo, we total support the first try. The first one is we set the rainbow. We can change another one. As you can see, this one is the state, and you can change a different kind of the effect, LED effect. So based on our solution, why I want to introduce this one, because some model like the smart home, they need the special lighting effect, and then our solution is provide this kind of technical solution. You can easily to add our LED effect on your product, and then add your sales key feature. Okay. I think this is our demo. If you interested in Nuvoton, we will have more demo in the I will introduce in the future. Thank you.